As the Supreme Court is set to deliver its verdict on whether Aruna Shanbaug should be allowed to live or die, the nurses who have been involved in her care for over 3 decades speak out for the first time on camera. They say as long as Aruna has people to care for her, she should be allowed to live.
I don't want her to be killed like this.
A plea for Aruna's life from an old friend. Sister Pramila Kushe, now 80, was at KEM hospital when Aruna was attacked 37 years ago and was among the first to see her that terrible morning.
Aruna was there in sitting position, chain around her neck. Her tears were running from the eyes, really speaking.
It's KEM hospital's nurses that have lovingly cared for Aruna for over 3 decades. They take pride in the fact that she never had any bed sores. In fact, in the past, when one dean moved her to another hospital, the nurses struck work to bring her back. Matron Durga Mehta was among those who cared for Aruna for 20 years before retiring. She voices what the nurses feel. Despite her vegetative state, Aruna can still communicate and respond in her own way.
I talk to her, Aruna, how are you? She just looks, she can't talk, so she just makes no.
Almost every nurse at KEM hospital has been put on Aruna's caretaking duty one time or the other in her career. Hence, they now all feel personally involved as they wait for the verdict. Under strict instructions from hospital authorities not to speak to the media, all they can do now is hope for the best silently. In Mumbai, Prachi Zavdekar Wagh for NDTV.